Hey guys, today we have a really cool video like for devices. So this is currently what we have as a phone holder. Todd's the only one that has a phone holder. We don't really have one for mine. I have this in my Jeep, but I've broke two of them. Like this ball back here has just fell off, broke in half. So we have what is called an Anvil bar, and the reason we got this is because there's no drilling. So right now we have the phone holder, and this is where I have the GoPro. So we're going to install an Anvil bar today, which there is no drilling. That's one of the things Todd hates, is drilling into a brand new vehicle. So no drilling using factory holes. I don't know if you can tell it, but we're going to remove like this bottom piece, and then we're going to remove the bolt that's in there. Oh, I don't know. That's horrible. It won't focus. Anyways, there's a bolt in there that we're going to remove. Putting the short bar into the bolt holes. So then you just take your 1/4 inch ratchet into the end of the bar end and tighten. And repeat on passenger side. Oh, that's like totally the back of your head. Here's the instructions. All of 12 steps. 12 steps.
Maybe you have to do them both at the same time.
Maybe it just sits tight until it doesn't fall off. Okay, here's what we did, is this has like a little nub sticking out there that's going to press into the dash, so we put some foam on it so it's not just sitting there riding and puncturing the dash. Can't see anything, can you? There you go. In the middle?
It's hard to tell. Should I get a tape measure or it'll drive me crazy?
No, because I think you have enough with devices on it. Installed. That took 25 minutes after we found all of our tools.
That's not everything.
Well, besides all the extras, but the bar itself is installed. Okay, so we used to have the phone mount mounted with this ball. So we still want to use the wireless charger. So we bought this ball adapter on Amazon.
$5.
And so the big ball is supposed to fit into what you buy from Anvil for a phone charger, and then the small end is going in that. Somehow. Okay, it is installed. So this is what we did. I had a GoPro mount already from a kit I bought, so we put that on there. This, we bought the radio, so it's like a ball joint. Man, I don't know why you can't like see that very well, but nope. Sorry, trying to adjust. Maybe that's a little bit better. The sun's kind of messing. And then you just, let's see if I can clip on, and we are probably going to put some felt because it's a little loose there. Then this is we have their cell phone mount with the ball that we bought from Amazon. Do you know what size ball that is? 5?
That's a 25 millimeter, which is the same as a 1 inch, to a 17 millimeter, which I think was like 5/8 or something like that.
Onto our wireless charger, which we cannibalized from another charger, which then that hooks into the cell phone, so wireless charging,
clamping.
So the only thing we're going to do is we're going to put my cell phone charger over here, which we haven't done because we have to get a ball.
And if it doesn't work, I do have the actual,
yeah, we did buy one of their cell phones.
Phone clamp.
So just letting you see, no drilling required.
Pretty easy.
That's it.
Other than finding all your tools.
Yeah.
Yeah, I may find a piece of something and put back there.
Yeah. So just showing you, it is all tucked in. We made sure that we didn't hide the radio or any of that stuff. And I adjusted this to where I could grab the handle and